I haven't got the best condition of chest. I've always been a bit chesty, so I've lost 2.5 stone. I find now I can breathe easier. That's all I've done is cut out nice it is, the chocolates and sweets and things, you know. If I hadn't come on this course, I wouldn't have taken the weight loss so serious.
He was a Sudani national who came here to seek asylum. He needed some professional training in interpretation and translation, which he undertook at Cardiff. The proper communication skills, which are so vital when you're dealing with clients who come from more than 40 nationalities.
In 2005, I came here to Newport in Wales, which is my city now. I feel that I'm from Wales.
Being a heroin addict, all you're interested in is going to get that. I got kicked out at 15. Then I went to a school for misbehaving children. I did 2 GCSEs and got grade E. If I hadn't come back to college when I did, I think by now I'd probably end up in prison.
I suffer from depression, and when people upset me, I used to go into my little corner. Now, I just take it with a pinch of salt. I've learned to cope with it, because during my learning, you also build up on confidence, and that's what I've done. Now, I will talk it through. If there's a problem, I will talk it through. And before I ever learned, I couldn't do that.
I was smoking 20 plus a day. I give up because I was finding that I didn't really want to smoke because I was feeling happy and better about myself. My self-esteem had gone up and I didn't feel the need to smoke anymore. I didn't have any goals in my life, and education is a good goal to have.
We just want them to have the same chances that children whose parents have money or from better off areas have. We try and give that to these children. We want them to stand just as tall as the next child.
We've got loads of stuff. We do music and there's loads of stuff.
Drama.
Dancing. It's just like family.
If we can just, reach out to a few of these and give them that self-belief in themselves and, give them pride in themselves, then they'll go on to better things.
If I hadn't gone back to college, I'd have probably been dead by now from the alcohol. And my baby was born just over 2 years ago now, and I haven't touched a drink since. It gave me a goal to go for these degrees and the baby together, and so basically the learning saved my life.